The annual cultural celebration came alive with spectacular horse riding processions, highly embroidered attires, rhythmic traditional musics, and elegant performances by the Regbe groups, reaffirming Ojude Oba's status as one of the Africa's most iconic cultural festivals. Sons and daughters of IJEBU land, visitors, tourists, dignitaries across Nigeria and the diaspora gathered to witness the colorful spectacle which blended tradition, fashion, unity, and cultural pride in grand style. Speaking at the event, Ogun State Governor Dapo Abiodun and the chairman of Awujale Interregnum Administrative Council, Dr. Sonny Kuku, described Ojude Oba as a powerful symbol of peaceful coexistence, communal harmony, and cultural sophistication.
This festival has become not only a cultural asset, but also a major economic platform for the communal and the state by extension.
With the Ojude Oba now, we are now also having what you call the IJEBU developmental agenda. So as every year people come, things have changed.
Prominent personalities including the coordinator Ojude Oba Festival, Professor Fasi Yusuf, among others, noted that this year's edition was particularly emotional and historic.
In every ramification, this is a gift of the IJEBU to the country and to the world in terms of religious tolerance, accommodation, peaceful coexistence, concord, and the general ambience.
Another successful year in the annals of IJEBU land, and we are happy. Even though we see more than our Kabesi, we are hoping by this time of next year a brand new Kabesi Awujale will be installed. But meanwhile, we are happy, excited that this legacy continues, notwithstanding.
Beyond personality, Baba left so much for the IJEBUs. Governance, social life, economy-wise, Baba touched so many sectors. So we have to put all of this together to know that we are celebrating a great man. We are happy to celebrate Baba.
This year's Ojude Oba Festival carries profound significance as it is the first celebration since the glorious transition of the revered monarch Oba Sikiru Kayode Adetono, whose remarkable reshaped and strengthened the institution of traditional rulership in Nigeria. In Ijebu Ode, Anthony Gadonu, NTA News.